Hey everyone, the vacuum doctor here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take apart the Dyson Gen 5 bin, just so you can help and you can clean it, okay? It's not connected to the main body, but it's okay. You're going to do exactly the same thing. If you want to see more clean videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like and share to follow it for more. Right, we're going to get this to the side. So same thing you do, even if you have the main body on, push it all the way down, red lever, it says 1 here. We're going to press it down and we're going to take it out. Put your cyclone to the side, and here it is. So this is the bin, and we're just going to disassemble the lid and just the bin ring seal here, so we can give this a clean as well. Okay, we're not going to take apart anything here. It's really unnecessary. There's no point taking apart anything here, okay, except for the bin lid and the bin ring seal. So what we're going to need is we're going to need a flathead screwdriver to remove the bin lid. And we're also going to need the flathead to help remove this part, and a T8 Torx screw for this screw. And do you see in the new Dysons here, they got screws that hold in the bin seal. So it's kind of a safety precaution, not a safety precaution, but they learned from their mistakes. Okay, they learned from mistakes in previous models. The bin seal ring would break because they have built-in clips inside, but now they have Phillips head screws that hold this in, okay? So good to know that they learn from their mistakes. Hopefully they can keep doing it. So what we want to do is we want to start taking the bin, okay? Press this, we want to open the side. We want to bend this to a slight angle like so. Hold it. And now our next goal is we want to go, and do you see this here? We want to get your flathead and you want to put it in there. And you kind of just want to push it towards you so you can help twist it out. It's a bit difficult, but it's easier when I can do it on my body, leaning against my body. Okay, so you just want to, I'll show you from this angle. Don't think I can do it from here, but you get your prying tool and there's a little gap in there. You just want to push it that side. And once it comes out, you'll be able to clock it out just like that, okay? So once you kind of bend it out, it'll come out like so. And all we need to do is just pull this off. It's okay to pull this off, we'll go back in fine. We'll also pull out the outer seal ring. If you have pliers, that'll help too. Just like that. And these are the only things we need to put in. This will be fine. And put that to the side. And we just, if you want to wash it, clean it, put in a hot soapy bucket of water, and that's it. This part, we just want to grab our T8 Torx screwdriver. We want to unscrew this screw. Pretty simple. Next, you want to grab your Phillips head. And you see all these screws? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Phillips head screws. Make sure to remove those, and we'll go to the next part. To remove those screws, we can just take these parts off. And then with this, we're going to grab our pliing tool, which you can use a flathead. And you see these little clips here? We're just going to push in with our pliing tool. And we're just going to try and push them out. So there's just 2. After you do that, you can just pull this out, okay? Once we've kind of popped them out, you can pull this out. And you can grab all these and this. Grab a hot bucket of water with some detergent, and you can scrub them all. And you can put them in the wash. Not the washing machine, but give them a wash. And then after they're fully dry, everything's dry, you know, you've shaked it and you can't feel any excess water come off. After all of them wash, you can actually reapply some powder on it, so like baby powder on the seals, so it will help release the bin, and it will open easier, okay? If you guys have any issues or anything with your Dyson, please leave a comment. If not, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.